So let me explain to you how the attack environment is going to work. Okay, so there is an Active Directory, okay, connected to the firewall, and the modem to the firewall, from the modem to the Active Directory, and there will be a small group of servers, okay, and somehow, I don't know, I'm gonna feed all the video from the stations, and the logs from the all the SIM system is going to go to one side the other to UDP to storage that I am going to place, and then you will attack this environment, and I will keep all the log in here and all the logs and backups, of course, in here. And after that, I will build this environment more robust and more fun to play with. But this is just a simple explanation for what I'm going to do. Okay, I hope we have some fun to do together.